What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be reviewing some puppets, and I finally got an editing app so I can edit my videos if it takes a little long. But anyways, let's get on to this video. But before we do though, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're on a road to 1K subs, and thank you so much whoever 3 people subscribed. I really appreciate it. We're on a road to 1K subs and 500 likes. So if you can do that, you're a legend. But anyways, let's get on to the video. So first I got this round puppet. I love this because this is my first puppet I ever had. It's really hard to do though, because yeah, not really good. But then once we go on the other side, some ASMR. So nice. So that's for this puppet. This is gonna be very fast, so it might be on the YouTube shorts, but anyways. Then I got this humongous puppet. I'm gonna pop some of these. Oh, there we go. Oh, 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 let's pop that. Wasn't that so smart? Give this a 10 out of 10. Then I have this cyan puppet. Amazing puppet. Love it. Then let me see the ASMR. Perfect. Then I got this puppet. I guess it's okay. Not really ASMR. Pretty good. Then I got this really hard puppet, like super hard. Oh, that's hard. There you go. I did. It's fine. Then I got this purple elephant thing. Really soft. ASMR. Ooh. Ooh, that is so nice. 6 out of 10. Then I got this thing. I don't know where it is. But you can change the size out of it. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Then I got this puppet ball. It's said to be impossible to put down all of these buttons down. Then the last one is this. This one. So let's try the ASMR. Not much ASMR. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys!